Hello students, let's begin our today's session. Poem 1.3 The Pilgrim. The Pilgrim is a poem which is written by Anonymous. Anonymous means when the name of the poet is not known or unknown, then we call it as anonymous. Introduction. This is an inspiring and touching poem with a strong message. It focuses on an old man who is unselfish. The poet very beautifully brings out the message of the poem that we need to go forward fearlessly and we need to make the path smooth for the future generation who will follow us. Let's begin with the poem. A pilgrim going a lone highway. Here, a pilgrim means a traveler or a journey to visit places of religious significance, and lone means lonely or empty. In this line, a traveler who was traveling a religious place was walking alone on an empty highway. Came at evening cold and grey. It means while he was traveling, he came an evening which was cold and grey. Here, grey means dull. To a chasm, deep and vast and wide. Here, chasm means a deep valley. This line tells us that while the old man was traveling in the evening, he came across a deep valley which was very vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. Here, twilight means evening, and twilight dim means the period just before it becomes completely dark. The chasm had no fear for him. This line means that the old man crossing the deep valley in the dim evening, and while crossing he was fearless because he is experienced. But he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Span the tide here means cross across the water. This means when he crossed the valley which was filled with water, he stopped and instead of going home, he started building a bridge across the water. Second stanza. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. Here, fellow means other pilgrim. This line tells us when the old man started building a bridge, the other pilgrim who were traveling along with him, one of them asked him that, old man, why are you wasting your time in building a bridge here? Your journey is over and you will never pass from here again since you are very old. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wild. Why build a here at eventide? A means you, it is an old English word. Here the fellow pilgrim, fellow traveler is puzzled and asked again why the old man, who has already crossed the valley, is building a bridge so late in the evening. Third stanza. The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said, the followeth after me today. Here, followeth means the other fellow or pilgrim. Here, the pilgrim raises his old grey head and explains the reason to the fellow pilgrim by saying, my friend, the path he has crossed, there are other fellow pilgrims who will follow this way after today. A fair-haired youth who must pass this way, the chasm which held no fears for me, to a fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. Here, pitfall means a trap. The old man is explaining that after today, that is next day, maybe this there comes a youth who will try to cross this chasm, which did not hold any fear for the old man because he was experienced, but for the youth it must be a trap or danger because he is inexperienced. He too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. Here the old man is telling that the inexperienced youth who would have to cross the valley in the dim evening, and the old man was here building a bridge to help this youth to cross the chasm. Thank you.